Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be testing the Titebrush. It's a Titebond glue brush made from silicone, which should distribute the glue evenly and be easy to rinse off. So let's see. Normally what I would do would be having my two pieces of wood, my glue, distribute a little glue on this one. Take my finger, let's go in again, like this. Take my clamps, already here. Normally I peel glue off my clamps because I have it on my fingers. So without touching the clamps, I might be able to, well, yeah. I actually already now see a purpose of this one. I must admit, I thought it was sort of a gimmick, a joke. I could use an old brush to do the same, but well, let's try. For a start, let's take off these two zip ties, and it's a beautiful product. It seems good quality. Won't go into pieces, I think. So, well, let's try. I'll take my glue. Put a line in here. Oops. Put it here. In the picture. Yeah, well, it's a brush. Put it on. No need to worry about if I'm getting glue on my clamp, because I'm not. At least not on the handles, because I have no glue on my fingers now. There's little excess glue coming out here, and I've seen others do it like this. Well, it seems to work. So I guess to conclude if it's a gimmick or useful, well, for now I have glue on my brush, and as you saw earlier, I was using a finger to distribute the glue, and well, I don't think this glue is in any way dangerous, but it can be healthy as well. So, and the next thing is, I have no glue on the handles of my grips because I had no glue on my fingers when I tightened the grips, and that for me makes it worth those $5, I think. Not much. Well, nice piece of tool. Now I just have to get used to using it, because I'm used to using the fingers, but this will definitely be a tool in my toolbox now. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe. I love it when you do it. Thank you.